Hello all.
Hi.
There's Paige over there.
Hi.
Anyway, you might notice that we've got the panels up.
Woo!
There is one problem though. I am missing a small amount of panel. I could go and redo all these from the side over, but I don't feel like it, so I'm not going to. I'll go get one more panel and call it good. As far as everything else goes, these actually were pretty easy to put up. They're all lining up really well, and I think we did a pretty good job. They're a little dusty right now, but well.
It'll rain.
Yeah, it'll rain. Also, I did all these with the Tough X symbol in the corner, so I can peel them off easy if need be. I'll also go through and start securing them down the bit by bit. After that, I'll probably also need to get the little corner piece that goes up here. The little thing just to secure the top. Yeah, that I'll probably only need 2 or 3 of those, but I'll get 3 because I'm paranoid. I'll probably put them back another 40 bucks. All together, yeah, I'll probably spend another $100 on parts for the roof. But yeah, we now have a greenhouse ish. Alright, later all. Yep. It's going good. Just a tiny bit missing there. I like the greenness with everything too. I think it turned out really well. So, yeah, I'm glad I painted it. Alright, later. Hello, Internet. Day, like, 15 or something of working on the greenhouse. I've discovered something. Finally I've got my ridge panels up. And apparently, let me just show how these are meant to line up. Alright, got them lined up here. You might notice how askew they're getting. They're just slightly off compared to the other one, these panels up here. So that's a problem. It means I can't use my paneling. These panels probably might not be able to go together. And I just spent $80 on all these ridge panels. I got 4 of them too, because I'm like, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to need all of them, and oh well, it could be worse. So, yeah, definitely measure everything out before you buy it. The plus side, I've got that last panel up on the edge. I've got that screwed in. These panels I got up here, I got these at Lowe's. And I got these at Home Depot because they were the only ones who had them at the moment. Great. Well, it only makes it, what, 7 or 8 trips to Lowe's or Home Depot for this project so far, so I'm probably ahead. Yeah, it could be worse. Anyway, next update, I'll have the actual panels I need for the ridge top. Definitely make sure you're getting everything from the same place when you're doing this. I should have done that. I didn't. So, yeah. In other news, still working on my windows over there. I've got 2 of them in. The wind blew over another. I'm probably gonna cut through some of it and start trying to put it in. I've got a lot of hinges too from the restore, door hinges mainly. So I'm gonna build little frames and try sticking them in over there. But anyway, yeah, you know what? Let me pause the video for a minute and I'll go down there and take a look. All right, day 15 continued. Luckily, I kept my receipt in the box over there. As you can see, it's there. Anyway, now I'm starting to pull these things out on the side. Yeah, I'm going to be fitting in these smaller sized windows over here. I can probably get about 3 of them in. I'm going to try and get the middle one up to being a kind of a door frame. And then using all these cheap hinges I found. God bless restores, I'll tell you that much. I can probably fashion up a kind of very simple, very cheap, flippable window. How I want this to work is I want to be able to flip the window out like this, and I'll be able to prop it out because I get the feeling I'll have larger plants on the inside. So it'll probably wind up going to about here across, and then I'll wind up building the structure out. I'll be able to pop the middle window out, and then it'll have the south-facing winds go in. And anyone saying, you know, why don't you just have the door be open? Well, there are a couple of reasons for this. The first is, this has more wind access in here, so if I want to be able to cool the greenhouse off, it'd be a lot more convenient if I had south-facing windows. More air will be passing through it. And the second reason for it is, plants do require a small amount of wind in order to build up their cellulose cell walls things. There's a proper term for it, but that's a muscle for them that gets activated whenever wind hits them. So a lot of first-time like hydroponics guys and the like will wind up accidentally killing their plants by not having wind in there. Let's get a good look at that. The last panel is up. I'm so happy about it. Yeah. In the winter, I'm going to also have. I'm also going to go ahead and put out a very simple solar panel that can hook up to a little oscillating fan. Just the little ones like you see bus drivers use that can plug into a 12-volt socket. And with 100 watts of solar energy, it should be more than enough to run that. Maybe a tiny heater at the same time. Yeah, and then I can just throw the heater in my 55-gallon barrel there and I'll be good. Alright. Well, I might go to Home Depot later. In the meantime, I've got the panel up. Yeah, and I'm gonna go build a tiny frame for my solar panel using my scrap wood here. And maybe some other scrap wood I can get lying around. I've got duck eggs at the moment. I'm selling them for $7 a dozen. And the plan has been to trade it for trade them for actual scrap wood and the like. Because, you know, I figure, hey, the useless shit you got in your garage, you get free locally grown eggs from cool ducks that you can come by and see. You can drive by them and everyone looks at them. I get a lot of people who look at the ducks on their way over. And that should be a good plan. You know, let me go, let's go look at the ducks anyway. I usually don't get to see what they're doing this time of day. I'm usually working now. Took the day off to go to the DMV. I probably didn't need to. I'm probably just an idiot. Hello, ducks. Let's flip over. They're hanging out by the cage over there. Yeah, they're there. They're just kind of... It's pretty warm out, so they're just kind of enjoying themselves, sunbathing. Oh, look at them. They're so nice. But yeah, they what will happen is, let me zoom back out. What will happen is they'll run all over this yard, and I don't have this well sectioned off yet. This is a flat fence my dad and I made. And they'll go run over into my front side lawn, over here, my corner lawn, we'll call it that, where I have all my garden boxes. And I'm like, oh, that's something else I should do today, work on my garden boxes. And the plan is going to be, yeah, they can pick for like slugs and caterpillars and stuff like that in the garden boxes around there, get free protein. I don't need to use pesticide. They'll fertilize the land while they're doing it, because that duck muck, a lot of things live in it, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, so the sidewalk is right here, so you'll get tons of people who will stand by and just gawk at the ducks. And yeah, they seem to like it. I'm waiting for the city council to send me a letter though, telling me you can't have ducks. Like, well, I did. I mean, I got them. Ducks are a natural species. Well, not these, but whatever. Anyway, let's go over to what my real plan is. All right. Project for the day is going to be hooking up this solar panel, building a wooden frame for it. I just need something simple enough, like a very simple frame I can adjust for wintertime or summertime use. I can throw the battery in on the side. Yeah, no, this is sounding good. I can throw the battery in there. I need a good ammo can or something. Well, I've got my charge controller, and between that and my e-bike over there, I'm going to be kind of off the grid for this. This could work out well. But yeah, I'm done lugging heavy stuff on the roof for a while, so might as well do this today. Yeah. Side note, if you're in the Grandview area and you want some duck eggs, let me know. I will trade it for shit I can build a greenhouse out of. Yeah. Hello, duckies. Alright. Oh yeah, and here's another thing I was working on. This is going to be more of a long-term thing, but it's occurred to me that Paige is trying to grow plenty of mushrooms, right? Paige, my girlfriend, you see her in some of the videos. She's very nice. So for Valentine's Day, because I'm romantic like that, I offered to build her a mushroom spawning box, and I have an idea. Since I have this little structure here and this little bed, I'm going to make kind of essentially a giant laundry basket out of either scrap wood or PVC or something like that. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm going to have it be in the shadowy aspect of this, and that way you'll have the rain runoff coming down from the greenhouse shed slash farm shop down onto here. You'll have mushrooms growing using the waste leaves and the debris. And using some of this old wood I have in the corner, I might go ahead and try going maybe some chicken of the woods or hen of the woods out of them. I don't know. Paige is the mushroom growing expert. I mean, I say expert. Both her and I are equally bad, but everyone considers me a gardening expert for some reason. So yeah, if you people hit me up looking for gardening advice, I am not an expert, but land of the blind, one-eyed man is king, I guess. So I'm better than nothing. I'm not a novice anymore, maybe. I need to clean up this area. Yeah, you know what? I'll probably work on that today. Yeah, okay. Solar panel setup frame. Get those things returned from Home Depot. Get some more 5-gallon buckets for another project. Another project. Maybe some garden beds. Yeah. Lay out some cardboard too. Alright, well, this has been kind of a long video, but I want to say thanks for all 10 people who watch my videos, and I appreciate it. I don't know what I'm doing. I just do not know what I'm doing, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, I'll update again soon. Probably next one will be me putting the final ridge top panels up on the greenhouse building, and possibly building the window system out more. Maybe I'll have the solar grid set up. I need to find a good box for the battery though. I need a good metal ammo can, but it's too big for most of them. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna go dumpster diving. Yep, new plan, going dumpster diving today. Bye.